Hey, what's up everyone, this is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 CLS 550 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 4.7 V8 pushing out 402 horsepower and 443 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights, a diamond style grille up front. This one does come with the wheel package, which is going to give you 19-inch AMG multi-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. A saddle brown black leather interior. Sunroof. Come around back. We've got a rear spoiler. CLS 550 4MATIC badging. A clean set of floor mats. Comfort box. Fold down rear seats. Coming alongside here. This one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, a nice burl walnut wood trim, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Just go ahead and start it up. This one does have navigation, a rear view backup camera. This one also does come with parking assist package, which is going to give you Parktronic with active park assist. It also comes with the lane tracking package, which is going to give you a lane keeping assist, blind spot assist. We've got our hard keys for our media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, our buttons for our infotainment centers, our different driving settings. We got economy, sport, and manual, our sports and comfort suspension. This CLS has 34,448 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLS, check out feldmanimports.com.